what we're gonna discuss today, guys, we're gonna take a look at the Bitcoin price, because the Bitcoin price is gonna tell us what our meme coins are gonna do this week, today, or in the near future. So we're gonna have a fast analysis of the Bitcoin chart, guys, and after we're gonna discuss a couple meme coins. As you know, we're gonna discuss Hoppy and a couple other ones. Let's see who are the winners, who are the losers, and we see it after the Bitcoin charts, guys. So first we will go to the Bitcoin charts, guys. I'm gonna make this screen more little so you guys see it better. Today also there are not a lot of winners, guys. Like how you see today we have Sui 11%, it's one winner. Deutsch with 8%, a winner of today. Hex with 14.6%. And the most coins guys today are in the red, unfortunately. But guys, this can change very fast, because tomorrow are the elections of the United States, and when that happens, guys, the total market can change, because everything will be more clear. And you know, guys, when the things in the market are clear, the more risk assets it will grow, and even the non risk assets it will grow. The total market will go up because people know what they can expect, and that's very important in the market, guys. So no lot winners today in the market. So let's go to the Bitcoin price, guys. I'm gonna go to the Bitcoin charts. I'm gonna go to the daily chart, guys. Let me put this a little bit bigger. Like this, it's perfect. So guys, the daily chart of Bitcoin, it's what we Friday spoke about. We had, you see the red line, guys, here? It was our resistance line where the bulls found some resistance from the bears and the bears push it back. So this was the line what we expected, a little turbulence, a little problems for the bulls, that the price it will come back. Sorry guys, a little sip of the coffee. Then guys, we spoke that probably the price should hold at this green support line, what we draw here, guys. The green support line, what you see here. In the first time, the first hit, it holds. But after, guys, it went under this support line. And you guys know when a support line fails, when we have the main rule, the golden rule of Crypto Milad, guys, if we have one candle close under the support line, under this structure, guys, it means the structure is changing, that the bulls getting weaker and they don't have control anymore, and the bears take over the control, guys. And when the bears take over the control, guys, it means that we can expect some more downwards movements. And that happened, guys. It happened. Like you saw, Bitcoin went this weekend until 67,550. And that was a point that the bulls took over again. But what we also spoke, guys, that if we break this support line, that the next support line, guys, will be at the respected 20 EMA on the daily chart. So it found already a couple times support, like you see here and here and here. A little wick down, but we found support, and it happened again here. So a little wick down, and then we found support and we push it up. And guys, let's hope that the EMA 20 will be the support that will hold, because if the 20 hold, it's quite bullish, because we can move up, come in this zone again, in this between the red and the green line, like this red line what you see here, guys. It's the all-time high, so we are not so far anymore from the all-time high. Even it's just a 7.5%, guys, away from the all-time historical high from the Bitcoin price. And it's just, it can happen by one day, guys. For example, it can happen tomorrow. It can happen tomorrow that we have a big candle of 10,000 and we come above that, the bull market really starts, because Like tomorrow, guys, really crazy things can happen, and let's hope for the positive thing what will happen, and that the price it pushed up. Normally in an election, the price goes down a couple days, 1 week before the elections. What didn't really happen, guys? This time it was a little bit different because we really didn't have some pullback that everybody gets scared as hell and they sold their positions. It was more like a little drop. We went even up. We went even up until almost breaking the all-time high before the elections, guys. It was just $200 away from the all-time high, and that's crazy nearby, guys. So what is different between now and the other elections? It's that normally we drop before the election, we make a big drop, and then in the election, after the elections, it goes a little bit sidewards, and then we have a big pump. And this happened already the three previous elections. So this election, guys, let's see what will happen. I expect that we're gonna have this month, November, a big breakout to the upside, guys, not to the downside, to the upside. That's very important to know. My prediction is that we're gonna have a big move to the upside, and when that happens, guys, when Bitcoin gonna break this all-time high, I already told you guys we need a little bit patience. Like, of course, we want it to happen now, but it can happen tomorrow, it can happen after tomorrow, it can happen this week. But I think it will be a good month, November, guys. I talking about this November already more than a year ago. I already talked this November will be a crazy month. This Q4 will be a crazy month. The first month, guys, October, it kept us a little bit waiting, and we knew why, because of the elections. Now, guys, tomorrow is the day what we spoke about. Tomorrow is the day when we have clarity, when we know what we can expect from the market. And guys, when that happened, I expect a bull market, and I expect that the meme coins will outperform all other assets in this Q4, guys, in this last 2 months of the year. So, guys, I think if our backs are in meme coins, at least my backs are fully in meme coins. I know that a lot of subscribers they are heavy in meme coins. I think we don't have nothing to worry about. I think we will have fantastic two last 2 months of the year. So I think we don't need to worry at this moment about the Bitcoin price and going a little bit up and down and washing the high leverages out the market, the gamblers out the market, because that always happen, guys. When everybody is too bullish and the leverage are 50, 60, 70, until some crazy people that put even 100 leverage, guys. 100 times leverage, 100 times the money. That's literally gambling. That's just Russian roulette, guys. And this kind of people they get washed out by the market, because if it's not like that, guys, it's too easy to go leverage and make money in in some moments. But the market makers, they made it so difficult in these times that the chance is a lot bigger that you are wrong than that you are right in a high leverage, guys. I don't talk about the 1 or 2 times leverage because that's okay. But above the 10, guys, you should really know what you are doing, because one little wind and your position, you can say bye bye to your position. And I don't recommend that to nobody, guys. Sometimes you need a little bit more patience or just be in the right coins to avoid this kind of risks, guys, because in this channel we don't like big risks. We want always the favor in our side. We want to have the edge need always be in our side. It need to be in our favor. If it's not in our favor in long term, we're gonna lose, guys, because that's just mathematics. If the edge is only 1% less than 50 on the side on the opposite, so not on your side, it means in the long term you will lose, guys. So your edge should at least be 60-40, that you can win in the long term, guys, or at least like in the profit, like at least the 51 need to be on your side and not in the other side, because otherwise you can just go to the casino, guys, and I don't know what will be better. a gambler trader or a gambler in the roulette. I don't know, guys. But enough about that. So the Bitcoin, guys, let's hope it hold the 20 EMA. It's until now respected. If we lose the 20 EMA and we have a one candle close under it, guys, that's important. One close under the 20 EMA, it shows lower prices, that we can expect lower prices. And I think the most crazy thing scenario what can happen that Bitcoin goes to the 64k. I don't see Bitcoin go lower than 64k, guys. I think the super dip tomorrow, if something crazy happens, it will around 64k. I don't think it will go lower. So the probability also is not so big that we go to 64. I give him a higher probability that we hold even this EMA, guys. Like this candle where we are now in, it's very important candle. So if this candle go under the EMA 20 and we close above it in how many hours? In 12 and a half hours, guys, that means not so good news for tomorrow. That means we can have a lower push to the downside. But for example, if we hold this and we go even a little bit higher, guys, I don't expect the price will break 64k when we have a dip down, guys. So, guys, that's about Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin will give us the clarity. The doubt will go away tomorrow after the elections when we know we're gonna win. The favor, a little favor, it's for President Trump, guys. That's of course the most bullish case if Bitcoin, if Trump, President Trump will win the elections. Of course, that's better for the crypto scene in generally and for all the market. And if it's not the case, guys, if the opposite wins, I think it's fine. It maybe have a little correction of a couple days in the short term. Maybe we will see some pullback, but in the long term, it doesn't even really matter, guys, because I think the crypto market it's ready to take over the market and become a big player, guys, in this world, in these assets, in the investment in a lot of people, guys. I think the world is changing. A lot of young people they start to think different. They are more familiar with cryptocurrency. And I think if this go ahead, I think we are really in the right market, guys. I think we are exactly at the moment in the right place in the right moment where we should be. So nothing to worry about, guys. So let's now go to some meme coins. Let's go to our favorite frog, our favorite frog, Hoppy, guys. Hoppy yesterday had a little dip down. It went to 3021, guys. It was a good moment to people to buy. The people that buy at this dip, fantastic. It was a good buy because you see we had a sorry guys, we had a long wick, and it pushed up, and that's normally a good. When you see the body, guys, the body here. When you see the body, it's a little body and a long wick. It's always very bullish, and the opposite it's count for the upside. When the wick is up and the body is little on the downside, that's mean the opposite. That means the bears take full control. But in Hoppy, that's not the case, guys. In Hoppy, the bulls control the market. Sometimes we have some little dips to the downside, what's normal for each coin. But I think, guys, we are in the perfect coin. And I think, guys, I think really this. Let's go to let me show. Let's go to Coin Market Cap. Look, guys. Let me go to Hoppy. Look, Hoppy it's now at number 319. What's a quite strong position, guys, for a coin as Hoppy. That's it's not still on any big exchange, and it's already so strong, guys. It has above 100 million market cap, 112 million to be exactly. And guys, this means that Hoppy have really a big chance to come in the top 100. For example, GigaChat, SBX 6900, Turbo, what has a big name, guys. Turbo, it's already on Binance. It has a big name. It's just 100 positions above Hoppy, guys. and the turbo was at a lot bigger market cap before. It was, I think, already in a billion, and now it's the half 500 million. That means, guys, that Hoppy will easy come to the 1 billion. That's 10 times the price from what we are now. And I think when that happens, guys, I think Hoppy will come in the top 200, and from there Hoppy will make a big name and come in the top 100. And when Hoppy is in the top 100, guys, and it reach 1 billion or 2 billion market cap, guys, this gonna be a name. People gonna see this coin. Like right now, I still think a lot of people don't know about Hoppy, don't know about this fantastic true what is behind Hoppy, this fantastic positive community that's behind Hoppy, and all the investors what are so early and positive minded in this Hoppy. We cannot find bad things about Hoppy, guys. And I think really one of the underdogs on the market right now, I think really it's Hoppy. I think Hoppy is a big underdog what can make a big name in the future, guys. And it's gonna be the enemy of the concurrent, the enemy of Pepe, guys, because like you see, Pepe it doesn't doing so good. The community it's a little bit getting opposite with each other, like the half say it's good, the other half say no, it's going down. So there is a lot of rumor, there is a lot of discussion now in the Pepe world, in the Pepe coin. But like guys, with Hoppy we are one unit. There is no people in the Hoppy community that are talking bad about Hoppy. They don't have trust in Hoppy. Everybody in Hoppy it's fully trust in Hoppy. It's become one big religion, guys, and that's exactly what we need for a meme coin to outperform the market. Exactly, these are the characters what you need, because you need to know what kind of characters a meme coin need to have, the community need to have to become a success, guys, because success stories you can find it in the history, also other things what happened in the same way. And if you compare that with each other, you should come almost in the same category. And of course the market is changing, the people are changing, so you should also be a little bit like you should also consider that this kind of thing. So not copy one on one, but you can compare a lot of things what happened with good coins with a new coin like Hoppy, for example. Because for me, guys, Hoppy it's a new coin and it's going hard, and it's going very hard, and I think it have so much more upside to come, guys. I think still we are super early in Hoppy, and I see Hoppy growing a lot, guys. So for me, Hoppy looks good. The next we have, like, the good thing from Hoppy is, guys, we have higher highs and higher lows each time. So that's good. So the next, guys, we should break the all-time high, what is now on 3035. And from there, guys, we should break this resistance line, what you see here, and that's now double of the price of what it's now. So the next, guys, the next point, I think that we have some resistance. It will be double of the price of now, guys, and double of the market cap of now. I see that happen when Hoppy it's around 250 million market cap, and that's a quart billion market cap, guys, for Hoppy. And that's super super positive if that happened, and I think we will see it soon. So nothing to worry about Hoppy, guys. Let's go to our turtle Speedy. Our turtle Speedy, it's a little bit in a turbulence. It broke the all-time high a couple days ago before the weekend. It couldn't hold that, so we went a little bit lower from that point. And we hold, guys. That was the most important. We hold at some critical points. It seems that the 50 EMA at the 4 hours, it's defending the price. And let's see, guys, if we can now again go to the 4.5 cents and break it, because we are now around 3 cents. If we go again to the all-time high and we break this point, guys, then I think we're gonna make some serious moves up. I think the next point for Speedy, guys, don't be surprised, but I think it will be 10 cent. It's $10 cent, guys, and that will be 3 times, almost 4 times the price what it's now. And from that point, guys, it can go a lot higher because Speedy has just 1 billion coins in the circle, like 1 billion coins total Speedy they are. So that's the good part. That's why the price is also it's also so high. So the circulation is 1 billion, guys, and that's a good amount for a coin. And a coin with 1 billion, guys, it can easy reach $1 if the market cap goes a little bit more up. So $1, it's also the expectation what I have in the high in the bull market when the market starts. I think we shouldn't be surprised if Speedy become $1 per Speedy, guys, and that's from now. It's almost, let's say, that's a lot, guys. That's a lot. I think that's like 30 times the price at least from now. And guys, that's really, really, really good. That's really good. Like if you can make it 30 times from here in 2 months, in 3 months, that's great. And from there, we need to analyze what Speedy more have for us because I think Speedy have a good plan, slow but steady. A turtle that calls Speedy, guys, you should not underestimate it because it can bring us some good things, guys. Let's see, guys. Pepe, what's Pepe doing actually? Pepe, it's not doing good at all. Pepe, it's not doing good at all. Pepe looks very weak. The last, the when it had the high here, from there it went just down and down and down, guys. And we are now at the point that it looks even weaker than Bitcoin. It's dropping, like it's dropping harder than Bitcoin. And one big one big support for Pepe, it's the 750. So we are now 826. The 750, it's a big support. I think the chance is very big that we get the 750 with the price how it's now and the weakness what Pepe is showing now. I think the 750 should be a moment that you can buy some Pepe again and expect some upwards because at the moment it doesn't look strong at all, guys. But a lot of meme coins, it went down like a couple, one day, guys. It's a couple days. The weekend was the couple days before the election. I already didn't expect really a move up in this weekend. And tomorrow, guys, tomorrow it's a very, very important day. So tomorrow we can expect some good things. Same with Turbo. Like Turbo, it's already dropping from this point, from the high from 15 October, guys. 15 October is just 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, it dropped 47%, guys, 47%. And normally, a strong coin like Turbo, when it has around the 50% a drop, it can go up again, guys. So I don't expect the Turbo go a lot more down. I think we are near the bottom to go up again. I think, yeah, let me see the 4 hour. We are under this point. Okay. Yeah, I don't think we will go so much more down. Like the next point, it's maybe the 50 EMA on the daily. What will have some support. Like I don't see it go lower than the 0065, guys. Like the ultimate place, it's 006. I think when it's come to 006, I think that's really the lowest point what we can go at the moment. Okay, if Bitcoin make a super crash, of course, if Bitcoin go, for example, in one dip to 64K, that will scare some people and that will shake out the market the weekends. And then in that case, maybe we can go even to the 005. But 005, I see it really as the lowest point what Turbo can go. What I already don't expect. I give it maybe a 20% chance that we can go to the 005. I give it a 50% chance that we go to the 006. So that's also discount, guys, on Turbo and on many other meme coins at the moment. There is some discount, but like I told you guys, there is nothing to worry about. In my opinion, we're gonna have a great Q4 still. We're gonna have a great November. We're gonna get a fantastic December, and it will be all fantastic, guys. I hope you guys like the episode. Don't forget to Send a like if you support the channel, guys. I will make new content with fresh, new meme coins, what I always investigate and research, guys. So some surprises can come. So make also sure that you ring the bell when I bring new videos. I wish you all a fantastic Monday, guys, and let's hope tomorrow it will be a great day with the elections. I will make a new fresh episode so we are up to date tomorrow, guys. I wish you all a great, fantastic Monday.